This video is going to show you how to input the taxes paid by clients into our taxes Google Sheet. So the first thing you're going to do is log into PayPal with the login information provided. Then you're going to move over to where it says Activity and then All Transactions. Once that screen loads, you'll move over to the second box that says Transaction Type and change it to Payments Received. And then we will edit the dates as well. So for this one, we're going to change them back. So we have January 1st through today's date, and you'll change those based on whatever we need to do for the task at hand. It will always be listed. Once that loads up, you will see the date, the client name, and then an order amount. So what we're going to do is click on the client's name, and it's going to pull up an invoice. To figure out the tax paid by the client, we're going to scroll over to where it says View Invoice Details, and it's going to open up a new tab. Once that fully loads, what you're looking for, you'll scroll down and you want to find the box on the bottom that says Tax. So the tax on this order was $1.68. We're then going to move into our taxes spreadsheet, which is in our client info Google Sheet in the taxes tab, and we'll put in the information. So 168, client name, Megan Brockman, and then the date, which was 3/28/22. And then you'll go back to PayPal. We finished with Megan's invoice, so we can close it. And then to get to the next one, you're just going to hit this back button up top. It's going to bring you back to that previous screen, and then you can move into the next invoice to continue. And you're going to go all the way through until you have all the dates completed within the task range.